Welcome to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the globe. Today, we are taking you on a captivating journey through one of Europe's most enchanting cities, Bruges, Belgium. Nestled in the northwest of Belgium, Bruges is a city that seems frozen in time. Known as the Venice of the North, Bruges is renowned for its picturesque canals, cobblestone streets, and well-preserved medieval architecture. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. Bruges history is a rich tapestry that dates back to the 9th century when it was founded by Vikings. The name, Bruges, is derived from the Old Norse word, brygge, meaning harbor or mooring place, reflecting its origins as a significant port. By the 12th century, Bruges had grown into an important trade center, thanks to its strategic location and the construction of the Zwin Canal, which connected the city to the North Sea. During the 13th to 15th centuries, Bruges experienced its golden age, becoming one of the wealthiest cities in Europe. The city was a hub for the Hanseatic League and known for its vibrant trade in wool, cloth, and other goods. The decline of the Zwin Canal led to economic downturns, but Bruges' medieval charm was preserved, allowing us to enjoy its historic beauty today. The best time to visit Bruges is during the spring, March to May, and early autumn, September to October, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. Springtime brings blooming flowers and pleasant temperatures ranging from 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, 50 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for exploring the city on foot. The summer months of June to August are also popular, though they can be crowded with tourists enjoying the warm weather and vibrant atmosphere. Temperatures during this period range from 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter, from November to February, is quieter and colder, with temperatures between 2 and 7 degrees Celsius, 36 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit. But the city's Christmas markets and festive lights create a magical atmosphere. The Bruges Christmas Market, held from late November to early January, transforms the market square into a winter wonderland with charming stalls, ice skating, and festive treats. Other notable festivals include the Bruges Triennial, a contemporary art exhibition held every 3 years, and the Procession of the Holy Blood, a religious event in May that dates back to the 13th century. Things to do and places to visit. Experience the breathtaking aerial views of Bruges, showcasing its intricate canal system and historic buildings. The city's layout, with its winding canals and charming medieval architecture, is best appreciated from above. Take a leisurely stroll along the Diver Canal, where stunning medieval buildings reflect on the water's surface. This area is perfect for photography, especially in the early morning light or at sunset. In Jan van Eyck Square, named after the famous Flemish painter, you'll find a statue of Van Eyck and buildings that harken back to Bruges' artistic heritage. This square offers a peaceful retreat with a touch of historical significance. Minnewater Park, also known as the Lake of Love, is an ideal spot for a relaxing walk amidst lush greenery and swans gliding across the lake. The romantic atmosphere here is perfect for couples and anyone looking to enjoy some tranquil time away from the bustling city center. Climb the 366 steps of the Belfry of Bruges, located in the market square, for panoramic views of the city. This iconic landmark dates back to the 13th century and offers a rewarding perspective of Bruges' medieval streets and rooftops. Grote Markt Square is the vibrant heart of Bruges, surrounded by colorful guild houses, bustling cafes, and the provincial court. It's a lively area where you can soak in the city's atmosphere, watch street performers, and enjoy a meal at one of the many outdoor terraces. The Church of Our Lady is home to Michelangelo's Madonna and Child sculpture, one of the few of his works to leave Italy during his lifetime. This church boasts the second tallest brick tower in the world and houses impressive art and architecture. Admire the unique Flemish architecture of Bruges houses and buildings, with their distinctive stepped gables and ornate facades. Each building tells a story of the city's rich history and architectural evolution. Enjoy tranquil moments by the canals, watching ducks swim and soaking in the peaceful ambiance. Boat tours are a popular way to explore the waterways and see the city from a different perspective. Bruges is a food lover's paradise. Start your day with a Belgian waffle, crisp on the outside and fluffy on the inside, topped with powdered sugar, fruit, or whipped cream. Indulge in Belgian chocolates from renowned shops like the Chocolate Line and Duman Chocolatier. Each praline is a work of art, blending traditional techniques with innovative flavors. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like moules frites, mussels with fries, which are best enjoyed at a cozy bistro near the canal. Flemish stew, or stovery, is a hearty dish made with beef, beer, and a mix of spices, perfect for colder days. Fresh seafood is abundant, given Bruges' proximity to the coast, and dishes like North Sea shrimp and eel in green herb sauce are local favorites. For dessert, sample speculoos biscuits, a spiced short-crust cookie that pairs perfectly with a cup of Belgian coffee. And of course, no visit to Belgium would be complete without tasting its world-famous beer. Bruges boasts numerous pubs and breweries, offering everything from Trappist ales to innovative craft brews. Bruges offers a range of accommodations to suit every budget. For a luxurious stay, consider the historic Hotel de Orangerie, set in a former 15th century convent, or the elegant Hotel Duke's Palace, which combines modern amenities with royal splendor. For a more intimate experience, choose a charming bed and breakfast like B&B Berzu, known for its warm hospitality and cozy atmosphere. Budget-friendly options include hostels like St. Christopher's Inn, which offers a vibrant social scene and comfortable lodging. When choosing where to stay, consider areas like the historic city center, which provides easy access to major attractions and a lively atmosphere. The neighborhoods around Minnewater Park offer a quieter, more relaxed environment while still being close to the main sites. Areas near the train station are also convenient for transportation and tend to be slightly less expensive. The nearest airport to Bruges is Brussels Airport, Bruges, about 110 kilometers away. From the airport, you can take a train to Bruges, which takes about 1.5 hours. Alternatively, you can fly into Ostend Bruges International Airport, OST, which is closer but has fewer flight options. The train from Brussels is efficient and offers a scenic route through the Belgian countryside. Bruges is a compact city that is best explored on foot or by bicycle. Walking through the cobblestone streets allows you to discover hidden gems and charming corners that you might miss otherwise. Public transportation options include buses and taxis, which are reliable and convenient. For a unique experience, take a boat tour along the canals, offering a different perspective of the city's beauty. Horse-drawn carriage rides are another charming way to explore Bruges, especially in the historic center. The currency used in Belgium is the euro. ATMs are widely available, and credit cards are accepted in most establishments. The official language is Dutch, but French and English are widely spoken, so communication is rarely an issue. Bruges is considered very safe for tourists. However, it's always wise to stay vigilant and keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. In case of an emergency, dial 112 for immediate assistance, which is the European emergency number for police, fire, and medical services. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Bruges. We hope you enjoyed exploring this charming city with us. If you liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel Nirvana Travel, and let us know in the comments which cities you would like to see next. Until next time, happy travels from Nirvana Travel.